Logos are the first point of contact for your business. It is the first thing a prospective customer sees when they come in contact with your business at different platforms. This makes it very important that your logo outlines your values distinctively. Today I am going to talk about how you can create a free logo with a few easy steps. Hello everyone, I am Somi Rawal. Let's start this video. We are going to use canva.com for creating a free professional logo. Let's go to the website. The address is www.canva.com. You can also find the address in the description. On the right hand corner of the website, click on create a design over here. Now select logo. It will take you to a separate page. I suggest you log in to the website so that you can save your progress. It's free. You will be redirected to a new page. Now select a template from thousands of the free available. All the templates are categorized. Most of them are free. For our current purposes, we will choose gaming. Let's click on see all. Click on the template and it will be added to your work area, and to make any changes to it if needed. So if I click on any of these, maybe this, now I can change the colors, fonts according to my needs. Now do some changes to the template as per your requirement. Make the logo consistent with the brand colors. If you still haven't finalized your brand colors, I suggest you do it right now. Choose your brand colors carefully. They should define the meaning and the values of a brand. Develop a set of colors that can be recognizable with your brand. You don't need to add many colors. Facebook, for example, uses just one color for its whole business. Let's go to elements if you want to change the elements. When you know the business, you can strongly reflect the business purpose through your logo. For example, if it's a sports goods business, it is only logical to include an element of this in it. For example, let's search sports. So you can now add any of the element that appeals to you and remove this one. Maybe let's add volleyball. It is imperative that your customers see your logo and able to know about the business through it. That way you don't have to spend humongous amounts on brand promotions. Remember, you need to talk about your business without the use of words. Make sure you leave space around your logo over here. So it creates a maximum visual impact. While you are at it, also decide a strong tagline. So over here we can add a tagline if you want to. Also make sure it defines what is special about your business, which makes it different from its competitors. Hit and try with any of the features, and when you are happy with the results, download the logo for free. If you want to change the colors, click on the work area, then it will go to the color over here. Then you can select any of the color in the background if you want to change. Play around with the colors and stop at the one that most appeals to you. You can also change the font. Click on the words. You can change the color of the text. You can change the size. You can change the font also. There are some elements in template that cost money to download, but most are free. The free ones have free written on them on the right side. So this is free. So free is written over here, and these are pro. You can download the finished logo. If we have finalized this logo, we can download it on the top right hand corner over here. Download. Now select the format that you want to download it with. The file types PNG, JPG, whatever. I suggest you download PNG only because it is a large size. Download. Now it is downloaded.
Using these same guidelines, you can create your branding kit. Consistent use of branding kit can help you make your brand distinguishable and recognizable. Comment your questions and I will get back to you. I hope you liked this video. If you didn't like it, let me know what I can improve in the comments. Until next time.